Hello guys, this is George, and I wanted to just jump in here. Happy Monday, by the way, and happy trading. And we wanted to talk to you quickly about the trading session, how we started, how we ended, and the lessons of the day, pretty much. Had a very relaxing weekend. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, didn't even look at the market or the charts, and wanted to kind of get a little bit of rest under my belt before we start the Monday session, and I got that rest that I needed. Started the morning with a look at the market, and what we noticed is a big gap up and a run up in globals in the futures market. And the way the market kind of reversed on Friday give us the look that the market may continue into today as far as the buying pressure. So we held off the first 15 minutes or so, and then we looked for long signals on inception trades. And inception trades are the ones in which the market shifts from a negative mode to a positive, and it retraces and pulls back initially to the middle of the range. When that behavior happens, you have a high probability of the market kind of run in your favor. And we took advantage of the first couple of trades, and they worked out for I think the first three trades worked out for the tune of $700. Then the market took off. We kind of operated under the premise that a lot of the price action that we're seeing right now is more of a scalping in nature, especially after a big run up. Then the market made even a bigger move kind of in and around 10 o'clock central, and then plateaued. And when it plateaued, that's when I got in and started to fade that trend, that long trade on the short side. The first trade that I took, I wasn't too happy about it. I just covered it up fairly quickly. Then the second one, I added to it within the range that we know that the market has a capacity for reversal, and then we ended up making a nice amount of money off of that. Then there was a follow-up trade after that for a small amount, and then we were done the day at $1,918 after commission. Good day. We were rested, and that was a key. The second key is we recognized the market nature in the morning, and we went long. Then we recognized the market nature as it plateaued, and we went short. And you will see in the video, we're going to do a commentary over the video so you could see actually the signals and what we did. Then we'll run you the actual session sped up so you could see the execution as it happens in the room. And with that, enjoy the rest of your day. Happy trading, and we see you on the next video. Alright guys, this is the sped up version of the trading session here, and we started the day. Market was in the two channels on the short side and flipped around here. I took a flat, then I took about 10-point profit on one contract to start us off. And then we also saw the fact that the market is still in a range and any dips are buyable, and we ended up buying two contracts in a row and ended up being profitable for the tune of I believe $329 on that one. We went again long on two contracts and on an inception trade, while the channel on the upside is still protected. The market eventually ended up just running even further to target number 2, which is fine. I mean, we don't have to, as long as we take a nice piece of the action, that's all we need. Okay, let's just keep going. So we're up to 502 by this time. And the market continues past target number 3. Actually, we're up to $704 at this point. Market here is looking, it gave us a captain setup short, so I took it, but it quickly reversed against me. I didn't feel comfortable holding on to the trade, and ended up getting out for a negative 243. And however, we keep trading at the top end of that range, and that's where I saw the slowness in price action. So I went 5 contracts in that one, short initially, then I added another 5 once the market popped up just a tad bit here. So he's still trading at the top end of that range, and here comes that 5 contract. So we're in it for 10. We took a bit of heat on this one, but eventually the market pulls back in our favor. So we start covering in the middle of the range of that trade, and then eventually once it broke, I got out of some more. I needed to pocket some profit, and that was an $1,100 trade. Then we started to go for it. I think we had one more trade here. Yeah, here it comes. That's a short on an inception trade on the short side, and how the strength of the market was evident at that time, and we just needed to kind of pocket our profits and be done. And that was $1,918. Not a bad day.